octagon, all the outside resistor is R, inside is R prime. Okay, so if you use Kirchhoff's theory, it's going to be a huge simultaneous equations. It's going to take a lot of time, so we do smart way. Okay, let's label point B and C and D. Now we know point B and point B is symmetric, so we can short circuit this, and point C and C we can short circuit that and see what's happened. Okay, so we have A to the point B, we have two resistors in parallel, so it's gonna be half R, and we come to the point B, right? From point B to C we have this in parallel, and from point B there is a two resistor going to D. So let's see, R prime over 2, and C to D is connected by two resistors, so this is gonna be R prime over 2. And don't forget this, we have R prime here, so R prime going to OD. Okay, so the remaining is symmetric, so we have exactly same configuration. And this is going to be E R prime. Okay, so this is going to be a little problem. Okay, but we think this way, suppose we don't have this one, so what happened is this voltage is divided equally here and equally here because it's symmetric, right? It's symmetric this way and this way. So actually this voltage is in the middle. It should be half of this point. Okay, so this voltage is same. If you attach this branch, no current flow, so this one doesn't matter whether we have it or not. It doesn't affect entire the circuit. Okay, so since we know that, we remove that, it's much easier. So what we do is we figure out this part, which is just a parallel of R and R prime. So this part R1 is R prime over R plus R prime. Now we have to add this and this R, so R1 plus R equals R plus R prime, and let's see, R prime plus R squared plus R prime. So it's going to be R plus R 2 R prime, R plus R prime. Okay, so we got this part all right. So that's parallel with this both together 2 R prime. So what we have here is total resistance is we take it the reciprocal of this r plus r prime over r plus 2 r prime, and reciprocal. So that's a parallel resistance. Okay, so r plus r prime plus 2r prime, r plus 2 r prime, and 2r r prime, r plus r 2r prime, right? So it's clean up. Time to clean up r prime with a 4 plus 2 r prime square plus r square. Okay, so that's gonna be the answer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please check others video too, and if you like, subscribe.